Today we're looking at the Taurus G3, chambered to 9mm. Some say this is the broke man's Glock, but today we're gonna break it down. Let's check that the gun's clear, no mag. Gun is clear, and you want to look at that trigger brake. So we're looking at the Taurus G3. We put about maybe 60 to 80 rounds, maybe even 100. I'm really not sure. I'd say around 60 to 80. That was probably accurate. Iron sights, actual iron metal sights. These back sights are blacked out, but the front ones, as you can see, white. The sights actually really aren't that bad. Usually on a gun, that's the first thing I change out, but these aren't too bad at all. You got your safety here, slide catch, and this to remove your slide. It breaks down just like a Glock will do it. Making sure the gun's clear, of course. Breaks down just like a Glock. And I'll actually put the Glock side by side. So here's the Glock 19, Taurus G3. As you can see, they look identical on the inside. Some would say this is the poor man's Glock. But they break down the exact same. The only thing that it doesn't have, that the Glock doesn't have, that this has is a safety here. They're super easy to take apart. It's exactly like a Glock, as you can see there. You can't really tell the difference. And putting it back together is just as easy. So yeah, why the G3? It's a really cheap gun. And you know, for the build, the way the gun's built, it's very high quality. I know Taurus has had somewhat of a sketchy past, but you know, this gun seems to be crafted right. As you can see, we just took it apart. I mean, it's literally built just like a Glock. Feels good in the hand. These grooves are nice. I like the serrations better too than the Glock has. You got your Picatinny rail here. Again, it comes with two 15-round mags. No issues. Metal mags. One thing I do not like about the gun so far is the trigger pull. Let me get up close and show you what I'm talking about. So basically here, like you'd expect a click, right? But way back here is the wall, and then it breaks. So it's gonna take some getting used to. Like here's the wall right here. It's way different than, you know, a Glock trigger. You know, just way different. So that's gonna take some getting used to. Accuracy, I got one clip of me just zoomed in on the target, and it's pretty accurate. It's our first time shooting it, so it's gonna take some time to get used to. The trigger is the main thing that I do not like about the gun, but I mean, that you can get over fairly quickly. And that's what it looks like flush with the mag. Locks back, yellow follower. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna keep it quick. So far so good. I like it, but it'll be for you to decide whether it's for you. Offhand, I really don't remember what the price is. It's definitely under 300. Good cheap gun, works great. Sure will last a while. The hand grips are pretty nice. It's like textured here. It's almost like sandpaper. It's really nice. Enough of me talking. Let's get out to the range. Like the video, guys. Let me know what you think. And we'll do some more comparison videos between the Glock 19 and this gun because they're very similar. Let's take it out to the range. All right, let's see how this trigger is. Oh, right on the bullseye. don't like the trigger, but it feels good.
Oh yeah?
It's a good gun.
And then you kind of do this. I can't even do it.
What happens when you like?
Usually it'll stop like here. And then you just
I can't see where it's going.
They're in the white.
See how these hollow points work. Go for the bottom right corner.
Bottom right.